Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can generate the background of your image dynamically by using Canva. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is one of the sample photo where I want to generate or change the background. To do this thing, at first we need to select the image and then we'll find this type of options are available on top of the image, and here we have to choose edit. We just need to click edit and the edit panel will be opened on the left side of Canva. Now from here we have to choose Magic Studio. Under Magic Studio we'll see BG generator, so we need to choose this option to generate the background. Now we need to describe the background details, which type of background we want to generate, but for the time being I'm going to click this inspire me, so it will create a description automatically based on the image or some AI. But you need to type the background or the type of background or the theme you want to do or change. You need to write over there. Now finally we need to press the generate button. Once you press generate button, it will take some time, and after that you will see 4 previews of that background. That means 4 types of background it will show one by one. So see here 4 types of images are there. Now we can choose one of the images from this. If we don't happy, then we can generate again by pressing this button, and it will generate other new 4 types of background for our image. Once the new background has been generated successfully, then it's time to choose one of the image. So I'm going to choose one of the image from here, and finally I'm going to press the done button to apply the changes. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily generate a new background by using Canva with the help of AI and Canva. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video.